Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue it, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Really draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes when we knew it once. Every life, it's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find happily ever star shining bright. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight.
Grace, if you're looking, say the castle change colors. So Grace, see the bottom of the jacket, the bottom?
just one day. Nice where I'll be content with my share. Or resent, or despair. Oh,
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins. I will hear their stories told of my own dream. Be strong, seize your story, and proud as an eagle's wing. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the chase the wind, trail I track, every move I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go, what I'm going to. See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding. No more love, I'll keep it going. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know. What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The blind to fly to see calls me. And no more love, how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, what then I'll know how far I go.
Trust me, having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never had a friend, never had a friend you ain't. Never. Never had a friend like me.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open
Yeah.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me.
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory
We're changed by the way that we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky.
we all have the courage to fight.